Increasingly so. We operate 32 electric vehicles, and have done for the past year. That was part of a government funding programme that we got working with the local authorities, and that's really changed the way that we start to look at various departments within the business. Engineering, for example, how we maintain the vehicles, how we clean the vehicles, and how we drive the vehicles. So I'll give you a bit more context about that. So with electric vehicles, there's a lot less moving parts. So consequently, you're not touching the vehicles as often as you would do a normal bus. So we're trying to look at our engineering policies and procedures and how we adapt those to the new type of technology that's on those vehicles as well. And that will take time to progress and learn from those. Whilst electric buses have been in the market for quite some time now, they're only about 7 years old. And when you think about electric vehicles in terms of vehicles could have a long asset life of 10 and 15 year old. So there's a lot of things that we're learning at the moment. So it's the technicians that work on the vehicles. What skills are they going to need? So we're working with the manufacturers of the vehicles to have a look at level 1, level 2, level 3 technical certificates that take them through those various phases, because obviously you're working with high voltage now, which is a totally different concept on vehicles that we've had before. It's also the work that goes on around the vehicles as well, so cleaning. If we've got any cleaning activities, we've got to make sure they work with high voltage electrics as well. So when you're cleaning vehicles inside, you don't want lots of water when we would normally clean vehicles. So how do we adapt the cleaning of the vehicles? So driving of an electric vehicle has a different driving style than you would normally get from driving a normal diesel-powered vehicle. There's something called regenerative braking, and the more that we can train the drivers to appreciate a regenerative braking, it means we can extend the range of the vehicle as well. So we have courses now for drivers in order to maximise the benefits of driving electric vehicles. I guess looking at a wider scope in terms of the green activity within the business as well, we're finding when we go for large contracts and new contracts to operate vehicles, there's a lot more focus on the environmental and the sustainability of those contracts as well. And I can see very shortly our department having a dedicated environmental or a sustainable manager to look at things like power consumption, to look at utility consumption, but also pull these other areas in, such as engineering and driver training as well.